hours, but it's a one-step prep and then it's done. We're going to be making a pork butt into teriyaki shredded pork. We're using the pork butt. Thank you to Naughty Pig for providing us with a beautiful, beautiful pork butt. And we're going to be using our teriyaki dressing sold here at Snackin. First of all, we'll take the pork out of the wrapper. Lots of wrapper. And I think today we're going to cut this in half just to see if we can get it to cook a little bigger. Okay, let me grab a knife. Here we go. And we will cut this in half. Beautiful 7-pound pork butt. Right now, I want to turn your attention to the method that we will be using to cook. We're going to stick it in an InstaPot. We're going to cook it probably 3 hours or so. It may be a little longer depending on what size meat you have. What you're going to do is set it on meat, temperature. We're going to set it to okay, so there's 3 hours. It should start to heat up. We'll just stick the top on. So it will start to heat up. We want it to be hot when we put it in. So give it a few minutes to heat up. To take the teriyaki dressing, shake it up, mix around, and then we'll pour this on top of the meat while it's in the Instant Pot. It's getting there. Oil, avocado oil is what I use in the bottom, so it doesn't stick. Maybe I can't pick these up. There's 1, there's 2, and take the teriyaki dressing, put it up, and just pour it on in. This will take about, as I said, about 3 hours to cook. This one is 7.5 pounds, so 3 hours is going to be the minimum amount. It may take a little longer, but the pot is on. There. Make sure the setting on the top, there are 3 settings on this machine. 2 say venting, 1 says sealing. Make sure it's at the sealed or sealing position. Okay, everybody, we are now going to prep the vegetables for plating when the meat is done. We're using carrots, green onions, and napa cabbage. So we're just going to julienne the carrots. So there's some finely chopped julienne carrots. To a scallion or a green onion. That edge off. And I think we'll start from this end. These 2 we want chopped finely. And we'll do our cabbage. There you have it. We have our cabbage, napa cabbage, julienne, our carrots julienne, and our green onions sliced thinly. now it's time to unpot the meat to see how it turned out. Oh, that looks yummy. It's very, very yummy. Oh, look at that. It's very yummy. It's all falling apart. Tasty, tasty. I'm just going to shred this up in the pot. Okay, everybody, now that we've got this all shredded and done up to our liking, we're going to plate some of this up and then we'll taste test it. So here we have some of the pork. We're going to add a little salad on the side. Do the salad, green onions. We have a little bit of teriyaki dressing here. Put that up very nicely. We could put little almonds on there if you'd like. We're also going to use cauliflower rice. This is a frozen brand that we buy at the grocery store. Most grocery stores carry it nowadays. It's easy to use. Just throw it in the microwave and it's done. And now that the cauliflower rice is done and warmed, put some of that on the plate as well. I don't have pork, so I'll use a spoon. Let's try some of this. Mmm, delicious.